Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add text to Photopea. So to do that, first go to your browser, and once you're here, search for Photopea and open the first link. So Photopea is an online photo editor. So now let's create a project. I'll open from my computer, click here. And now if you want to add text, all you have to do is click on this icon, type tool, click here. Now you will be able to add text. So there you go. You can even select colors. Okay. Select the color. Okay. There you go. That is how you can add text to Photopea. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.